So today I'm going to share with you how to start an AI company without needing to create an agency or be a tech expert. Everywhere you look right now, everybody is talking about AI because AI is changing everything. But here's what no one is talking about. AI exposes weaknesses, specifically for small business owners who are just trying to make more money and save more time. So here's the real opportunity in 2026. It's not becoming an Amazon shop or drop shipping or becoming a content creator. Those are all completely oversaturated markets. This also is not about becoming an agency owner or a done-for-you service provider, which will leave you drowning in headaches. This is about helping real, traditional, local business owners make more money and save more time utilizing the power of AI. And this is something that you can learn how to do even if you're a complete beginner and have zero technical knowledge. And it's the same exact approach that I have used to build a seven-figure consulting business in the last few years. And so if you want to get started right now in learning how to do this, I have a free guide that I think is really going to help you. It'll teach you how you can use AI with no technical experience to create an AI company that helps local businesses. So you can get that right here at AICompanyBlueprint.com. It's an extensive guide that I created to help you figure out how you can combine AI with technology and a little bit of consulting in order to create a really lucrative business with no technical experience at all. So make sure to check it out so you can get access to it right away. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can get started right away and why this is the best business model to begin in 2026. Let's dive in. Adoption of AI is increasing faster than ever. More and more pressures are being placed on small to medium-sized business owners who are just trying to survive. Staffing shortages are at an all-time high. Many business owners struggle to keep front desk or admin staff. A lot of people just don't want to do that job. I know from my own experience as a brick and mortar business owner, and I had multiple locations for many years, that front desk position was the hardest position for me to be able to fill and keep. Even back then, social media was a problem. I remember when customers would walk in and I would see a front desk team member with their phone out. I would be horrified. And I knew it was impacting the experience that that customer was getting. And at the time I was a brick and mortar business owner, customers were impatient. And that was over 10 years ago. Today, those expectations have changed dramatically. Customers are expecting responses 24/7. They want to hear back immediately. Their attention spans are short. They may even inquire about a service or a product in the morning and completely forget about what they even inquired about that evening. So if it takes you a day or 2 days to get back to them, they don't even remember getting in touch with you in the first place. People want instant replies. They want instant booking. And when they don't hear back from a company within a matter of seconds, they've completely moved on to another solution. And that impacts revenue more than anything else. What this means is that there is a huge opportunity to bring in AI to help streamline some of these tasks and operational inefficiency. And when you speak to them, a lot of small business owners are going to be naturally and understandably concerned about losing the personal touch that a human can provide. And I completely get that. I'm a relationship person. I believe in relationships first when it comes to any type of business. But if these small business owners are really honest with themselves, they will be admitting that the systems that they have in place are not working. These are the kind of inefficiencies that small to medium-sized business owners literally cannot afford to ignore anymore. So this is where the opportunity lies, not in building new tools, not in having to learn how to code. You don't need to do any of that, but by being the connector, being the person that can bring the technology to the businesses that need it most. And when that happens, those businesses will make more money and experience more freedom in their business than they ever have before. So now let's talk about why AI in creating an AI company is the smartest business model in 2026. When people hear me talk about AI company, they think that they need to have a technology background or be a tech expert, but that is not where the opportunity is. So this is something I learned early on in my consulting career. I would avoid technology applications because I didn't consider myself very techy, and I was worried about not being able to deliver on my promises. But as I got deeper and deeper into consulting, I realized this was a limiting belief that was holding me back. Because clients don't buy technology. They buy what that technology does for them. So I didn't need to know all of the nitty-gritty details on what it was that I was providing. I just needed to know the big picture strategy on how it works, and then I could have other people in my company be able to provide the implementation solution. Because what clients want most is the outcome that they dream about at night. They also want more freedom. They want more flexibility. And most of all, what they want is a trusted advisor, somebody who cares and is willing to lead them through the process of being able to reach their goals. So AI is perfect for this. It can help companies just look at their inefficiencies and figure out how they can get back to customers faster, or how they can automate things, or even how they can have an AI voice agent get back to customers in a way that feels really respectful and, most importantly, timely. The AI tools are just what runs in the background and what automates all of those outcomes. So think about it like this. A salon owner doesn't need AI workflows. She needs more bookings without having to pay for another receptionist. A local med spa doesn't need chatbots. They need a system that follows up with leads automatically so they can stop losing revenue overnight. A wellness practitioner doesn't need to staff up their front desk 24/7 in order to be able to answer any type of new client concerns. What they need is an AI responsive tool that they can leverage in order to be able to reassure that client and get them on the calendar. You lead with strategy, but then use AI tools to make that strategy sustainable. And the best part is that this is a business model that scales naturally. Because if you set it up the way that I recommend inside of the free guide that I provided you, every project that you complete, every system that you build creates a recurring revenue stream on the back end that's completely passive for the ongoing use of the technology. So now let's talk about how you're going to use AI and software in order to create a scalable offer in your company. The great thing about setting up this type of system in your business is that you do not need to be a developer or a coder for it to be able to work well. So let me give you a few examples on why this is incredibly valuable to small to medium-sized business owners. If a local service business misses 10 calls a week, that's potentially 10 lost opportunities. If even half of those callers would have booked a $500 service, that's $2,500 in missed revenue every single week. By simply setting up a service that texts missed calls and books them onto the calendar, you could recover that lost revenue within a matter of weeks. Or let's say that a business generates 100 leads a month, but only converts 10 of them because nobody follows up consistently. A simple 2-message workflow, one right away and one a few days later, could double that conversion rate. That's 10 more customers a month without another cent spent in paid advertising. And the best part is that these systems are getting better and better every single day. Pre-built AI automations and voice bookings can get customers on the calendar and respond to them 24/7. You do not need to be a tech-savvy person to set up these systems. You can license and bring in a technology to do all the heavy lifting for you and hire relatively inexpensive team members in order to be able to provide ongoing support and implementation. And it's such a win-win. Your clients make more money with so much less stress, and you build a business that scales without adding on more meetings or team members. So if you want to learn how to create a company like this in 2026 and take advantage of this massive opportunity, I want you to check out my free guide. It's the exact support that I wish that I had when I first got started. So AI is creating tremendous natural demand for all types of business owners across the globe. And it is my personal belief that every single business owner, if they do not have access to these tools, they will be left behind. Because if they stall on this, if they do not take action, their competitors will, and they will find themselves struggling for market share. This all creates a tremendous opportunity for you that is the biggest and best type of business to start in 2026. Because when you help real traditional businesses use AI to save time and make more money, you're not just creating income for yourself, you're creating a huge impact for your community. So if this video helped you see what was possible and your wheels are turning, you're definitely going to want to check out this next video on how to create a $10,000 a month consulting business. It'll help you figure out how to turn this idea into a profitable consulting company, even if you're completely starting from scratch. You'll find it right here, linked on the screen. Thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know how you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.